They hurt your skin though.
Turn around this way.
Hello, Missy.
Turn around this way. Have they always been friendly like that?
Yeah. I seem to have good luck with birds. I'll probably need a few more peanuts. Is the other one coming?
Oh, it's a blue one.
Blue?
Yeah.
Oh, that one won't come. It's a Rosella.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ, get the shit out of me.
Good come back.
No, that one annoyed it, I think.
The blue one?
Yeah.
The blue ones, they don't come down.